Good morning, people of the internet. Today I am taking a trip out in Margaretto here, where we are heading to the Gay Barden Museum, where we will be looking at other Margaret type vehicles there. It's the MG Centenary gathering at the British Museum at Gaydon. So I'm meeting Mr. Rob from Beards and Bangers down there, taking my dad down, hopefully filming some footage and having a look at some nice cars. So I've loaded myself up with different cameras and stuff today, and I might try some different shots. And also Norman Butler might make an appearance. So yeah, let's crack on. Yeah.
To keep it, yeah.
In epic 1 hour attempt.
For some reason, I really got into these early 2000s Astras again. Not necessarily the coupe one, like this one, but just a 3-door hatchback one. That'd be quite good. And those OZ wheels look suspiciously very similar to the straights that I've got on Henrietta. And there's a Vauxhall 220. And there's some old stuff, like that one's quite a niche colour. Calibra V6, that'd definitely be on my list. Oh, is that it over there?
There it is. So it's just circling behind us at the moment. Here he comes, he's turning in. And he's coming into the sun, which is good, so we can get some decent footage. Sounds lovely. We've got some pretty decent sounding cars here today. I think the Merlin engine just trumps all of them. Sorry to everyone who's brought a lovely sounding car. Here it comes again. Typical RAF tactic, they're coming out of the sun. Is it going to come round again? It just sounds so good. Took a sharp turn. Will we get a bit more Spitfire or not? Or is he off to the next gig? I think that is the Spitfire done. Absolutely well deserved. Who doesn't like a Spitfire? Right.